In order to display these student marks as percentages, the easiest approach is to apply a number format. We know that a number format is just a facade. It does not change the number, but changes the mode of display. Let's see how the custom number format of percentage works. So highlight the data, go to the number format, go to custom, and then activate general, and then come and put a 0, and you put a backslash, and then input percentage, and you press OK, and we have our numbers easily formatted as percentages.